Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawanda Shapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Menteri Rangba jong ke jilla Conrad Kongkel Sangma uliatho baki don ki MLA jong ke seng Kongres ki bala telefon yu ban Panmap halor ki jingken tho baki la kren Lyngba ki lat pathai Kubor hagini ki khendiat sngi haga jing ya kren bat ki lat pathai Kubor Menteri Rangba ula ongru bakumu nongelam hapo ga jilla don satya ya kano gono ga jing bat note yano ru Henry ula khot bat wer ya baro ki MLA baki nya trailang bat ka sorkar haga no gono ga benta bat ban kiar ru na ka penmi ye ki no ki jing kentho ki bakta mat yong bat ki bamdon jing tai ai ya ka emnang ka salang.
I don't have any specific reaction to what the Congress and its leadership has been saying in the last few days. I've been reading the papers, but I can say one thing for sure, that in my political career till now, and I would think in a lot of other senior leaders who have been in politics, I don't think we have ever seen so much of desperation from an opposition party. And the desperation level has gone to the point where personal attacks are being made, angry words are being used, which we really don't expect from senior people and people at that stature. So it's quite sad, I should say, to see the kind of extreme sense of desperation that is prevailing right now in the leadership, in the Congress, in the state. I was in fact very amused about a few days back. I don't want to take names. A few days back there were some MLAs from the Congress who had called me, almost apologizing and saying that we are quite ashamed to see the kind of language being used by the leadership and the behavior that is there. So that speaks a lot about how things are within the Congress itself. And as I said, I have no comments on the kind of situations and comments that they're making. And they have been trying this for so long, so many times. The coalition partners have been approached, and every time the coalition partners have repeatedly told them that this government will continue, we'll continue to support. Then again, they come out with a different statement after 2 weeks that we are now trying to do this. So as I said, it just seems that their focus is not about development of the people and the issues of the people, but their focus is more on toppling and more on how they will come back to power. So it's not really healthy for the system. I think we should focus on the issues. We should have constructive discussion. There are challenges we face as a government. We are not here to say that we know or we have all the answers to everything. We never can. Situations are very complicated and it requires everybody to work together. So as a Chief Minister, I would like to urge the opposition, urge the political leaders, and urge society as a whole that we must rise above all these kind of political games. They are playing games, they're not succeeding. What I'm trying to say is, whether you play the game or not, that's up to you. But at some point in time, one must also have the commitment towards the people and the cases and the issues that are ahead of us and face those and work together. So therefore, this is my appeal to everybody, especially the opposition, that let's not get into all this kind of petty political comments and let's get serious about working for our people and finding ways to resolve the issues that are there in front of us.